Roll it backwards so we can get the plate here. This is how you feed them. What is going on YouTube? Look at this amazing place, BB. We are at the G.O.A.T. Great Old Trendy Furniture, Art, Salvage, and Lighting. And there's some other store over there. Ladybug Landing. That is pretty cool. I like that. Let's go inside, guys, and see what is going on. Hey, what town are we in? Tiger Town? Tiger, Georgia. Yeah. Thanks a lot there. This reminds me of a place on Pigeon Forge that had something in the middle, I think during Christmas or something. Did you see that going up the stairs?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at all these goodies. Cinnamon Puffs. Cracker Jacks.
I told them not to let you see the caramel popcorn.
Oh, I ate the whole bag yesterday. I did. I ate the Buc-ee's.
And then he started on the Buc-ee's nuggets.
This is nice. I don't know.
Washing powder.
Yeah, look at that. It's right there. You can do a sample. It's probably dry soap. Ooh. They got some nice stuff in here.
What?
I got some nice stuff here. You gotta say something about Georgia. A lot of places we've been to that they've taken us. It's not a touristy area here. But I will say, log cabin. Oh, that's a log cabin too. That they sure do have a lot of amazing things to see. That's what you gotta love about going to see something different. Because if this was just me and BB, we would never come to this town at all and find all this beauty. It's pretty nice stuff here. This almost has like a Pigeon Forge thing. Hey, is this the type of wood you have on your house?
Yeah.
Oh, that place even goes over there. Oh, that's what they were hiding from me. Jesus, I wonder how much I spent in Buc-ee's. Oh, wow. Just like homemade ketchup?
Yeah, so a guy locally makes that. There's a
Really?
regular,
Son of a
spicy, and
bitch.
then like a super spicy. So,
This is regular? Or
if
you're
it
saying that?
doesn't say kickin',
Oh,
then
okay. I
it
think
should
I
be the
see it.
regular. Yeah, so this is the butt kickin' and then kickin'. So this is the
Okay.
spiciest, and then yes, that's the regular.
Oh, wow.
And what I think I'm gonna do too, since the back.
That is crazy.
Big bacteria. I think over there. Over there.
Okay.
I think I would take some of these shelves and put all of our display stuff. So it just
Them pizza cutters, man.
I know.
Them things are cool looking.
But everything's expensive
Oh,
here.
yeah. Oh, yeah, that's interesting.
I mean, but
That's just a workroom, that's all.
but that's pretty cool that that ketchup is homemade, but it's $16, boy. Could do a lot. I'm trying to G.O.A.T.
I need to take that out.
Right in the goat room. This is really a country store. I like that statue. Oh, I got the McFly car. 96 bucks. Oh wow, that is cool. Let's see how much for a Florida tag. 920. Oh no. I was gonna say. I'll be selling mine. $22. About 4,900. That ain't bad. Yeah, if you like antiques, well, you'll like this place. Because this place got a boatload of antiques.
That's some pretty neat stuff. I mean, right there.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, you gotta check out that sofa chair over there.
Pretty stuff.
They got a sofa chair that's pretty cool. I like that chandelier. Is anything up here?
Oh, there's quite a bit up here. I don't think anything's gonna fit you. Go out here and look at this. Yeah, look
She's
at this.
picked out a nice dress for you.
Is she really? Oh wow. Oh wow.
$3,500.
8,500.
And all this stuff out here is already sold.
Are you serious?
Yep. Ain't pop everything like that. Nice stuff.
This is a pretty cool store, man.
And look at that too, water.
That's a metal thing. What were you saying? Oh, wow. This is pretty nice. And they got some goating areas over there we can check out. Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
A swing.
I like it.
Something that's bad is that a lot of things in Florida, the sun will get them. They got a lot of nice stuff here. You can tell this place is not that old. Trying to build up tourism. And it says visit Tiger left 1 mile. I don't know. I want to visit any tigers. Alrighty. Oh, the fish things. Yeah, wait till you go to the other side. Ooh. This place is beautiful. That must be a future store. Uh-oh. Fairies only. Oh, those are made out of plates. That's made out of plates. Did you see that? That's a nice garden.
Yeah. I know top of Lily.
Look at those. Oh, you probably pay to go through that, I guess.
I'm sure you do.
Oh, yeah, and then you ride the bike to feed the goat.
Oh, okay.
If you had the food, you pedal it forward and backwards and drop the
There's
food.
a little guy. Or girl.
Oh, that's probably another way of feeding them right there, too. That is cool. What is up? Goats. They're all over.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
Big beard on him.
They got their own playground. It's not something you walk in there. That's for the goats to walk around. And then these are all feeders here. That is cool. I like that. That's nice sanction for the goats. What's up, dude? Are you a goat on the roof? Yeah, this will definitely be long ago, before the first fairy house. Oh, so this is like a storytelling thing. A curious herd of gentle goats wandered into the tree of woods. Then the ghosts discovered something magical. Oh, so that must be some kind of walk thing that you can walk through there, but I don't think you can walk in there with the goats. But you could probably walk outside the fenced area like a trail. Yeah, I think there's a trail over there that you can walk, that you get behind that place over there.
Okay.
Like you're behind the fence. Because all that in there's for the goats, but
Gotcha.
that is pretty cool, BB. Alrighty, BB. Alrighty, Mr. Goaty. Those are the most cleanest animals I've ever seen. Goat food sold inside $2 a bag. And then you put it on those contraptions. And
Oh, it sends it up for the feed 'em?
yeah, that you wind it. The other one you do the bike, and then you got the tubes right here. And that's what they're saying. They're saying, feed me.
Well, yeah.
What are you saying? Okay. Alrighty. Alright, BB. Until the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Hang on. Oh, now they're all coming down. Here, you want to put it in there? Where you at? All right.
Get out of the way.
I dropped one there. Pick down. You do the bicycle. Backwards so we can get the plate here. This is how you feed them. Yep, backwards. There you go.
I'm not meant to go backwards.
Not only do you get to feed the goats. There you go. Oh, he's waiting. He knows, boy. Be careful. He's pulling the chain up. He's pulling the chain up. They know.
Have fun, boys and girls.
Sit on it. Let me get a picture of you.
Sure, when I was still on it.
Well, look. Just smile. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty. Until the next one.
See ya.